Determine the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment between the points -1, 3 and 4, -7 into two parts in the ratio 3:4, both internally and externally. Let us begin. So here we will consider 2 points. First, let's say we have a point A. Point A has the coordinate -1, 3. And we have the next point B. B has the coordinates 4, -7. So let's join the 2 points. So we're going to consider a point C on the line joining AB, and we're going to name it x, y. These are the coordinates of point C, and we're choosing C such that it divides the line segment AB in the ratio 3:4. And this is an internal division because it is dividing it internally as it lies between A and B. Now our goal will be to find out the coordinates of point C. So let us begin. All we have to do is, it's very simple to remember, we'll take 3 and multiply it with B, and we'll take 4 and multiply it with A. Meaning, so we will start with the coordinate of point C, which is x, y. So to find out the x coordinate, all we have to do is take 3 and multiply it with the x coordinate of B. So that's going to be 4. Plus, we'll take 4 and multiply it with the x coordinate of A. So that's -1. Divided by the sum of the ratios, so that's 3 plus 4. Coming to the y coordinate, so we'll again start with 3 and multiply it with the y coordinate of B. So that's 3 times -7. Added 2, we'll come to 4 and multiply 4 with the y coordinate of A, so that's going to be +3. Divided by the sum of ratios, so that's 3 plus 4. So let's compute the value. Oh, we were going to get, now we have 3 times 4, that's going to be 12. 4 times -1 is -4. Divided by 7. Then we have 3 times -7, so that's 21. Plus 4 times 3, that's going to be +12, divided by 7. So let's further simplify this. So 12 minus 4, that's going to be 8. 8 over 7. And we have -21 plus 12. So that's going to be -9 over 7. So this is going to be the coordinate of point C. And that's the value of x and y corresponding x and y. X corresponds to 8 over 7 and y corresponds to -9 over 7. So these are this is the coordinate of point C, which is dividing the line segment AB into the ratio 3:4. Now that is the internal division. Next we'll go to the external division. So this time what we'll do, we'll consider the point as A, which is -1, 3. B has the coordinates, we have 4, -7. Now here we have to choose a point in such a way that point is going to divide the line joining A and B externally in the ratio 3:4. Fine. For that, what we'll do, we'll consider, let's say, the point to be lying to the left of A, that is x, y, and let's join the 3 points by using a straight line. The reason why I have chosen C to the left of A, because it is given here that the particular point C is dividing AB into ratio 3:4, which means that the length of CA, that's 3, and the length of CB, that's 4. So that's how it is dividing it externally. And to find out the calculation, all we have to do, it's the same as similar one. 3 will get multiplied with B, and 4 will get multiplied with A. Okay, so let's perform the calculation. So we will find out the coordinates of point C, x, y. So that's going to be, so we'll start with 3. We'll take 3 and multiply it with the x coordinate of B. So that's going to be simply 4. But this time we have to do minus. So we'll take negative of, and then we take 4 and multiply with the x coordinate of A. So that's going to be -1. Divided by, since we started out with 3, so we have 3 minus 4. Fine. Now next what we'll do, to find out the y coordinate, we'll start with 3, multiply with the y coordinate of B, minus 4 times the y coordinate of A, so that's 3, divided by 3 minus 4. Right, this will be equals to, so we have 3 times 4, that's going to be 12. 4 times -1, so that's -4, but we already have a negative sign, that's going to be +4, divided by 3 minus 4, that's -1. Then we have -21 minus 12, divided by -1. So we're going to get 12 plus 4, that's 16. 16 divided by -1 makes it -16. Then we have -21 minus 12, so that's going to be -33. But since we have division by -1, so it will be +33. So this is the coordinate of point C, and this is the point which is dividing the line joining A and B in the ratio 3:4 externally.